So what happened at the moment is that price consolidated in very tight range like yesterday, then broke out the day's open price before the cash open, then rallied back above and then retested it and found support and rallied back up, but now retested 90s level and kind of failed, which I shorted right here, and here are my targets. So hopefully we'll see a move like this now, but then need to break the day's open price and then move downwards. So here are my targets for this trade. I just split them so I can take advantage. Just first target met, I can take advantage of any potential down move. So hopefully now this resistance will hold and hopefully will go down below 10,100, but then it needs to break this kind of low right here. Okay, so what happened now is price found support here, then kind of range between 70s and 90s with very clear support and resistance, then kind of broke down after the first hour of cash open. But what I did is made some cash flow trades, which I bought here, sold there, then bought here, sold there, so instead of complaining why the market doesn't trending above or below with clear trends, I just took advantage of these areas here and then sold them up there, and I just did that until it stops, and now it's going to my direction, which I shorted here basically, and here are my last two targets. So hopefully it will go down as I was explaining earlier. So I sold kind of an average of 10,186 price. So hopefully now we'll go down to retest 10,100. So actually I closed the last lot, and what happens now is that this kind of very clear consolidation range broke to the downside, and to be honest I would like to hold this position down to 10,019s, but I'm not sure if it will go there, but I will just hold it just one lot. I will see how it will behave here at 10,100s and at support 1. Then I would like to see how it will behave at this level, and hopefully I will hold this until the US session, but then I will judge accordingly in how it will behave during the rest of the session. Hopefully it will retest initial balance low and days open price and collapse from there as well. And yeah, basically I will see how it goes and then I will act accordingly, but I would really like to capture this whole move down to 10,000, let's say, and then see how it reacts there. Okay, so now I keep holding this one lot for lower. What I like to see is this kind of consolidation above 10,100s. Usually when price finds support above and not just on the intraday psychological level, used to break down. So this is why I'm still holding it, so in order to capture this potential next down move. So hopefully it will go down and then I'll see. So actually exactly as I told, this is because of my observation in the past sessions. When something holds above intraday psychological level like 10,100s and it derived from early sell-off move, then it used to break it down, but now this is a judgment time. Will it go back to 10,100s, retest it and find resistance and then sells off more? This is remain to be seen really. So actually price sold off, found kind of support here at support 1 and 9 level. Now retested 10,100 and power resistance. Now just broke it above and looks like it will do this kind of pattern which will hold support and hopefully moves lower, but I'm still holding the position from 86s because I'm waiting for euro dollar to peak, let's say at 1.114 handle, and then hopefully price will move downwards and retest this kind of previous low, and here I will see if I will close the position or just hold it to the downside. So I actually shorted one more lot right here and I will buy it back hopefully at 85s. So I will actually close the whole position right here because I saw this kind of support holding and now probably will go to the upside. So I will just wait to see what I do during the US session. So I held this kind of for this kind of size the move, and then scaled out here and here, and then I added here for a potential downside, but then 100s held and now will probably go to the upside. Well, looks like I should have held the short because kind of retested this area 87, so kind of 90s. So probably we'll see, probably go down, more downside, or just find support here and goes upside. So actually price kind of double bottom right here, held support right here at 10,100s, then held support at 10,110s, which was kind of previous hours resistance, and now just aggressively rallied back to pivot point, which I would like to see continuation until, let's say, this level here, right here, days open price, and then a failure above here in order to have a more downside. But then we'll see how it's gonna behave during US session. But this one could be a good long opportunity against this level right here. So price actually after the support traded up to the pivot point of the day and then found resistance at day's open price and now held below initial balance low, so it's possible to go more downside from here. But if that happened during the US session, I would have shorted right here, but now I'll just wait to see how this will develop and hopefully I will short it back at the US session. Okay, so a few minutes to the US session open. So price actually kind of double bottom here, then rallied back above here and found resistance at day's open price, and twice at 50s level. Now is going downwards, so hopefully what I would like to see is to rally back above here at the European session open, and then I will short it hopefully for a potential down move. So actually bought it right here at 32s against this US session cash open price, and hopefully we'll go to the upside. So I bought big at 30s with this support. Hopefully I will fit in all these kind of targets expecting the potential upside move, and I will see how it will behave here, so I will possibly short it or just hold it for the bigger move if this happens. So I actually scaled out most of the position and left with only 3 lots, and hopefully we'll take them out at these areas right here. I actually shorted here at 42s. I would like to short much more up here if it goes. So you can see how my limit orders are, but it hasn't been there yet. Hopefully I will hold this position down to 100s. So actually I'm actually holding the short position. We can see a failure around this area and hopefully more downside. Here are my targets divided by 15 lots, and then hopefully we'll take the third, the 10 last lots up to 10,100. So actually price now collapsing. I just sorted more here and scaled out as the price was selling off, and now hopefully I will get filled in this targeted 43s and then next to 34s. Hopefully this will be a down move to 10,100s. So happy times right now. This level, equilibrium level, failed, then just the downside accelerated at the day's open price, and hopefully we'll get more downside. So this is how I position my targets, and hopefully I will get filled down here as well. So we'll actually close the whole position right here. So if you like this kind of videos or want to see more, please subscribe or just check out the YouTube channel in order to see the new uploading videos. And if you'd like to ask something, do not hesitate to ask me. Thanks for watching.